Hello guys, good afternoon. So welcome na naman po sa ating Hamster Combat. Ayan, so araw po ng Tuesday, July 9, 2024. Ayan, so dadako tayo guys sa ating daily cipher wherein medyo mabilis lang ang daily cipher for today since 3-letter lang which is DAG. D-A-G. Okay, so yung D is dash tapos dalawang dot. Yung letter A is dot tapos dash tapos yung letter G is dalawang dash, isang dot. Okay, so wag na natin patagalin guys. Again, ang ating daily cipher for July 9 is DAG. Okay, so click na natin yung daily cipher. Ayan, tapos dash, tapos dot, dot, tapos dot, dash. Ayan, tapos dash. Sorry, yan, nagkamali tayo. Ulitin natin ulit. Ayan, dash, dot, dot, tapos dot, dash, tapos dash, dash, tapos dot. Ayan, so ganun lang kasimple guys, 3-letter only guys. So the code is cracked, you are a real detective. So take the prize. So again, yun lang yung pinaka natin guys. So daily cipher for July 9, 2024. 3 letters, DAG. Ayan, tapos take the prize na natin for our additional 1 million. So good job CEO. So yan yung goal natin for our daily cipher for today. Again, araw po ng July 9, araw po ng Tuesday. Thank you so much guys sa panonood.